Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another speaker from Tribit. This is the Tribit SormBox Lava portable wireless speaker. It has a nice size and I think it's 80 watts of power, which is absolutely amazing. This is the box of it. On the side right here we have some specs. So 100 connection plus Bluetooth 5.4. So this is the newest Bluetooth technology. X-Bass technology, it has a button you can increase or decrease the bass of the speaker, the Tribit app, hands-free calling and TWS pairing. On the other side we have how it looks with the strap, because it comes in with a strap so you can carry it on your shoulder, I guess, or around your waist, however you want to do it. Explosive 80 watts output, TI amplifier, rugged IP67 rating, and unstoppable 24 hours of playtime. For something this size and this kind of power, 24 hours, it's absolutely amazing. That will get a party going literally for a full day. So yeah, that being said, this is the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna pair it with one of our Bluetooth devices and we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have an instruction manual right here, user guide, so make sure you give this a read. It will tell you everything you need to know about the speaker and its features, so it'll make you understand it and use it better. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is used for charging the speaker. The speaker has a USB Type C charging port. We have a shoulder strap, as was pictured on the box. So basically with these clamps right here, you clamp it here and here, and basically you can carry it using your shoulders around your waist. And we have a hand strap, I guess, so you can, again, you can mount it here and here and you can carry it just like so if you don't want to carry it and put weight on your shoulders. So this is how the speaker looks like. On the back it has a rubber stand, I guess. I can't call it a rubber fit because it's just only one, so it's a rubber stand. So once it's set in this position, it won't slide anywhere. Then in terms of connectivity, we have multi-pairing mode. So if you have other Tribit speakers, you can press this button and chain them together basically, and they will all act like one. Have the X bass button, have volume up, stop, volume down, Bluetooth, and we have the power button right here. And in terms of the speaker, in the front, as you can see, we have the Tribit logo. Tribit logo again on the sides. And yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. It has this fabric material on it, and mixed with this high quality, it's some rubberish plastic, but it's like really high quality. It feels absolutely amazing. On the back of the speaker have the connection ports. So let me see if I can get it with one hand. There you go. Have a USB Type C used for charging. We have a USB Type A output, and we have an aux 3.5mm jack to connect it to your PC, whatever you want to connect it if you don't want to use Bluetooth. Basically that's it, what's inside the box. That's how the speaker looks like. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and we're gonna test it. Let's see how loud it is. They claim to be 80 watts. So that being said, let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so the speaker is paired to my phone. It was really simple. All I had to do is press this button for a few seconds, like I think like 2 seconds, until it started flashing. Then open your Bluetooth settings on your device, select SormBox Lava, select pair, and that's it. From now on, it will automatically connect to your phone. All the features are on, volume is maxed out, X-Bass it's also enabled. We're gonna play some royalty-free music from YouTube, and I will let you guys decide how loud it is. This is the maximum volume, maximum settings as well. So let's go ahead and just play it. Okay, so that is very loud. I'm not sure how my camera microphone can pick it up, but I can promise you it is very loud. It's definitely 80 watts. It's one of the most powerful wireless speakers I have tested so far. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.